Today, y'all, I'm going to show you how to take a little bit of baking soda and turn your old dingy washcloths back to new. Yes, they look dingy right now. These are some that we use at the campground for different things, but there's nothing wrong with them. They're just a little stain. And I'm going to show you today how to take the baking soda and try to take that dingy look out of your washcloths. Yes, you could go buy new ones, but right now with the groceries and stuff as high as they are, money's tight for people. And these are expensive. So I'm going to show you how to take your old ones and get them back to looking halfway decent. Y'all come on. Okay, y'all, the first thing you need to do is put you a pot on the stove with boiling water. I want to get it to a low boil, and then we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of our old-fashioned, that's been around forever, Arm & Hammer baking soda to our water. And then we're going to put our washcloths in that. Baking soda has a lot of different purposes, but today I'm showing you how to take this and turn your dingy washcloths back to pretty. Alright, you're going to get it real good and hot, and it's almost to a boil. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of our baking soda. And you'll probably get a little bit of fizzy going on. Okay, see that? We're going to give that a mix. Okay. And now to that, I'm going to add just a dash of salt. Any kind of salt will work. And about 2 small drops of our Dawn detergent. You don't want to put a lot because you don't want it to start bubbling up. Just a tiny bit. Give that a mix. And now we're just going to take and we're going to drop our washcloths, towels, whatever you've got that looks dingy looking, and put them right down in there. Now this is something I remember my granny doing. She didn't have the money back then to go out and buy new stuff every time something got dirty looking, because they used it a lot. And this is what she done to get her stuff back to looking good without going out buying new. And nowadays, with the groceries as high as they are, stuff like this might help you and your family save a little money. Okay, we're going to cut it down just a little. Now, if you don't have a real big pot, you can let half of them go and then take this batch out and do another batch and save your mixture. Don't pour it out. And you'll want to let this sit there in that boiling water for about 15 minutes. And let that baking soda do its magic. Now this little box that you keep hid in your pantry or refrigerator can be used for a lot of different things. Today we're talking about turning our washcloths back to white and not being so dingy. So there's a lot of things you can do with this, anywhere from cooking to cleaning. Get you a box of this and keep it on hand for a lot of different things. Now while it's still going, I've cut the heat down, but it's still scalding hot. Y'all just look at how dirty that water's got. How it's pulling stuff out of my washcloths. Okay, y'all, we've had it boiling for about 15 minutes. So now we're just going to cut it off and let it sit there. And I'm going to let it just sit there till it gets cool enough that I can wring them out with my hand. And y'all just look at that. Look at that water. In today's society, it has us thinking that we always just have to go brand new and buy new stuff. Well, you can take this and work on your dish towels, washcloths, and make them usable again. To make them last a little bit longer before you do have to go spend money. We used 1/4 of a cup of baking soda today to do this experiment. I'm going to get a little of the water out of here and show y'all just how dingy it turned out. Look at that. We're just letting them sit there now. Okay, y'all. I decided to go ahead and pour it out while it's still hot, and then we're going to give them a good rinse. But we're going to go ahead now and empty it. This is what we're dealing with right here. Now we're going to pour them out. Look at that water, y'all. And now I'm just going to start rinsing some cold water over them so I can at least touch them. Because they are hot. Make sure y'all can see. Now these are rags that we keep in the camper to use while we're at the campground. Bring this one out good. You're gonna look at the difference. It's still not perfect, but they don't look as bad as they did. And now what I'll do is run them back through the washer and wash them. Here's one of the towels. Looks a lot better. Let me get all these wrung out, and I'll show y'all what they look like after I wash and dry them. Well, okay, y'all. Here's what our results turned out to look like. Even the one that was like a brown tint, it even tried to come clean. But overall, I think using that baking soda, this old-timey remedy to get your washcloths clean, you can make these last a little bit longer. This just goes to show you, you don't have to go out and buy brand new all the time. Use these pantry staples that you might have and do some cleaning with it. Baking soda is used for a lot more than just to make your refrigerator smell good. Look at that. Before we done this, that rag looked pretty bad. I even thought about throwing it away. And then I thought about my granny. Would my granny throw a washcloth that was still in this good of a condition away? No. We used her old-timey remedy to make it look just a little bit better to use a little bit longer. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the new hype button. Give it a thumbs up, and like always, Travis and myself just want to say a big thanks for watching our channel, and happy cleaning!